guys, this is Shadow back with another video. Today we are not going to be playing a VR video. We're going to be playing Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy. I just got this game, I tried it out, and I fell and lost a lot of progress, and I'm going to record it because I think I will go if I keep on VR and not VR. Bro's just so interested by the hammer. Why are you so interested by the hammer? Just keep looking at that. Go.
Whoop.
Oh. Oh my god. I'm so scared, I'm so scared, I'm so scared. I have to move like an inch. Just kids. Oh my god. I was slipping off. Well, is there a house? Just parked it in. There's a house in a mountain. How does that make any sense? Please tell me how that makes sense. Bro wanted to go hiking and then got lost. Go, go. I haven't heard anything from the narrator yet. Or the commentator, or whatever. Whatever you guys call it. Point. It's a coffee cup! Yeah, you drink. Oh my god! Oh, by the way, just realized it, but when I move around, apparently the pot has water in it. If I move, you can see it spilling out. So I think it has unlimited amount of water. Okay, so this is the bit where I fell and lost a lot of progress.
No.
Oh no, 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 please, 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 I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh my god. I'm not even using controller for this, it's just my mouse. By the way, if you guys want to play this, I got this for like £1.44 on a sale at Steam. But there is also a really good scratch version, like Griff Patch. No boy.
No.
Nope. Oh, come on! Nope, nope. Oh my god. My god! Why do I keep falling back down here? I keep falling back down here.
What?
Slowly but steadily. No, I said slowly but steadily. Get on there. Stop slipping off! Stop! Oh my god. That was... I just bounced myself off. Boing. Boing. Oh. 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 My hammer keeps slipping. Oh, it's slipping. Oh. I'm okay. I'm okay. No! No! Oh my god. By the way, I am going to split this into parts because I am not going to finish this whole game in one sitting. No, I am not. You cannot convince me to. I hate this game. I just fell back all the way to the beginning. Dude, get off the branch. Get off the branch. Parkour. By the way, did you know there's a sequel to this game? It's called A Difficult Game About Climbing. It's where his legs...
If you need to take a break, it's okay. I've saved your progress.
Okay. Okay. Okay, then that was very random. Very, very random. It was just like, you want to break... I'm recording a YouTube video, of course I'm not going to need a break. Someone's probably going to say, someone in the comments is probably going to say, no food or water as well. And I'm going to say yeah to that, because I actually can. Oh my god. No. Come on! Oh, I'm alive. I'm alive. Oh well, too much. Oh my god. I moved like 2 inches. No! My freaking god. Oh, that worked.
Anyway, when you start sexy hiking, you're standing next to this dead tree that blocks the way to the entire rest of the game.
Okay.
It might take you an hour to get over that tree, and a lot of people never got past it. You prod and you poke at it, exploring the limits of your reach and your strength, trying to find a way up and over. And there's a sense of truth in that lack of compromise. Most obstacles in video game worlds are fake. You can be completely confident in your ability to get through them once you have the correct method or the correct equipment or just by spending enough time. In that sense, every pixelated obstacle in sexy hiking is real.
It doesn't look very pixelated on it. I put my graphics on great. No, please. Please, I'm sorry. I fell. This is gonna be really hard. Wait, could I bounce from here? No,
If I'm messing you up, you can mute me in the settings.
No, I don't want to mute you. That makes me feel bad. I really don't know. That makes me feel sad. Just blaming myself for my problems. Oh my god, I did it. Let's go. Why is there just a random trash can? Who the hell has been up here before? How the hell have they been up here before? Oh my god. I literally just went like parkour and just randomly bounced off the my things. Bounce. Okay. I'm over here. And I bounce over here. Oh my god, one.
The obstacles in sexy hiking are unyielding, and that makes the game uniquely frustrating. But I'm not sure Jazzuo intended to make a frustrating game. The frustration is just essential to the act of climbing, and it's authentic to the process of building a game about climbing. A funny thing happened to me as I was building this mountain.
What?
I'd have an idea for a new obstacle, and I'd build it, test it, and it would usually turn out to be unreasonably hard. But I couldn't bring myself to make it easier. It already felt like my inability to get past the new obstacle was my fault, as a player rather than as a builder. Imaginary mountains build themselves from our efforts to climb them, and it's our repeated attempts to reach the summit that turns those mountains into something real.
Oh, this guy's gay.
When you're building a video game world, you're building with ideas. And that can be like
Yeah,
working
I
with
know.
quickset cement. You mold your ideas
I
into
know,
a certain
I mean,
shape that
yeah.
can be played with.
Oh wait, no, I
And in the
wasn't
process of
supposed to
playing
laugh.
with them, they begin to
Jesus, question
harden
mark.
and set until they're immutable, like rock. And at that point, you can't
my
change the world. Not without breaking it into pieces and starting fresh with new ideas.
This is getting like very deep, and I don't want to because I'm just climbing a mountain. This dude, whatever his name is, Diogenes. And to be honest, I just found that name out because I was playing Rivals of Athia, and then I found him and like, his name's Diogenes. They've really put a lot of effort into it. Bro, am I supposed to be Spider-Man and climb up these walls? Like, what the hell am I supposed to do? Also, how is this part not sliding? It's just like going down. Like, even my hammer is... Oh my god, that was a... No.
What?
That was a... No.
What?
Oh my god. I fell. No, no, no.
What? What?
I swear to god, if I fall all the way down, I am going to start crying.
What? What?
My god.
What?
So wait, I have an idea. Push up. No! No, my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. 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 Light. Keep. I'm stuck.
What?
Oh, 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 please, please, I'm sorry. Oh. Bro, I literally can turn into Spider-Man. How the hell can I turn into Spider-Man? Like, I'm just... No!
What? What?
Oh my god, if I fell, I was going to brutally murder the wolves. I'm going to eliminate Bennett Foddy. I'm going to unalive him. I'm going to unalive Bennett Foddy.
For years now, people have been predicting that games would soon be made out of prefabricated objects, bought in a store and assembled into a world. And for the most part, that hasn't happened, because the objects in the stores are trash. I don't mean they look bad or that they're badly made, although a lot of them are. I mean they're trash in the way that food becomes trash as soon as you put it in the sink. Things are made to be consumed and used in a certain context, and once the moment is gone, they transform into garbage. In the context of technology, those moments pass by in seconds.
So what? You're saying that after I stop recording this video, I'm not going to touch it again for another 2 years?
What?
I paid £1.44 for this. I'm gonna play it. Frick. It's just that ledge.
What?
The ledge. The freaking ledge. Like, I can turn into freaking Spider-Man, but I can't get past this ledge. Oh my god, I got on the ledge and then I bounced off. Great. By the way, I might just forward this. So I'm gonna cut to the bit where I've gone past the ledge because I don't want to bore you guys. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoop. Oh. Whoop.
Okay, guys, I got on the ledge, and I'm insanely scared. Boing. No. Oh my god! That scared the absolute crap out of me.
Whoop. Whoop.
I just can't. Should I just end it here? I'm just gonna end it here. Okay, guys, this is part 1 of Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy. If you want to get this yourself, on a computer, it's like £1.44 on Steam right now, but the offer's gonna end this week, or like by the day this video comes out. And if you do not have a, like, if you have a computer but you don't want to pay money for this, there's a scratch version of this game that's like kind of harder but also kind of easier at the same time. I'll put a link to it in the description. And that's enough talking for me. See you guys in the next video. Bye.